I know it is here somewhere. Green means go. Claw. Perfect. This is exactly what I need. Now, to fit this into the main gear. What you building, Rocky? Need a paw? Rubble on the double. We go. Just a few more turns. It works. Great job, Rubble. Don't lose it. Reuse it. Let's take this beauty for a test spin outside. What a perfect day for a cleanup mission. Looks like a mini Rockslide blocked the road. That is a lot of mess to clear before sunset. Chase is on the case. Do you pups need backup? Actually, Chase, we have just the thing. Watch this. Powering up the Super Cycle fan. Look at those leaves fly! Rubble on the double. Heavy lifting is my game. Great teamwork. The row is open for adventure. I will radio Ryder that the road is clear. Safe driving, pups. That fan idea really blew me away, Rocky. Another mission recycled into a success.
Saw the dust cloud from the sky. Did you two move a mountain?
It was a mountain of mess, but we cleared it in no time. And this is how we blew the leaves away. Watch the wind.
Yippee! It feels like I am flying without my helicopter.
Green, yellow, and pink. We make a great team.
Great mission, but our rides are looking a little dusty from the road.
I know what to do. How about a super shiny pup wash?
Rubble on the double with the bubbles. I can rig this to spray maximum foam. Green means clean. Whoa! That is a lot of bubbles! Scrub, 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 scrub the mud away.
This pup's gotta fly to dry the high spots.
Watch out for the slippery spots. Now that is what I call. Now that is what I call a shiny finish.
We are ready for the next adventure.
Looking good, Rubble. Looking double good. Lights are green for go. System check complete.
It is a pup-tastic dance party.
Whoa! Losing tractome. Mayday! It is! Hover's part of the dance! That sound was fast! Who could it be?
Liberty reporting for duty. Did I miss the fun? Wow! You guys really polish these rides. They are blinding.
Teamwork makes the chrome work! Oh no! That is the emergency signal!
Pups! I need help! My snowcat slid on some loose gravel near the coast.
Hang on, Everest. The squeaky clean team is on the way.
Don't move, Everest! We are here!
Rubble on the double! Ahoo! Crane coming through!
Steady! Steady! Got it!
Heave! Ho! Pulling you in!
Ice or gravel? I was definitely off-roading too much.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help! It looks like the cliff took a little bite out of your fender. Don't lose it, reuse it, and repair it. Good as new. Let's head back to the garage before the sun sets.
We have some unfinished business. Specifically, a dance party.
Let's pump up the volume.
I may be an ice pup, but I have some hot moves.
What a day! Good night, Adventure Bay!
That was the best dance-off ever, but I am officially pooped. A garage sleepover is the perfect way to end the mission. You are warmer than a toaster, Everest.
Digging up the giant bone. Green means sleep. Good night, team.